Ito, one. Ano po dito, mamaya? Good morning, CC Aspirants.
Sir, good morning, sir!
Malapit na ang qualifying exam that will be on next Sunday. So, maganda kasi makapag-review pa kayo. Supposed na yung araw, na-postpone man. So, we want all of you to pass the qualifying exam in order for you to proceed in the RACT and the ARA. So, pag naibagsak nyo yan, sira ang pangarap nyo. Although may retake, ha? Pero mas maganda na hindi na mag-retake. One take lang dapat kayo. Kuha?
Sir, yes, sir!
Okay, good luck to all of you. And God bless.